Hello, everyone. This is Own Wall Street with the TradersPerspective.com. Doing my weekend analysis before you. You have natural gas futures on the daily time frame. I went ahead and just went and did some analysis prior to actually recording this video. Sometimes I do a brief analysis off air, and then I go ahead and do my videos. But well, with natural gas, it's and with some other of the securities that I've or commodities that I've analyzed today already, it just appears like they're all kind of doing a similar thing. So kind of like with oil, I see that the natural gas prices are kind of on an uptrend here, and a little bit different from oil, that is, where there is not really an uptrend line. But with regards to how I expect the price to act like oil is, we are kind of between this 3.15 level and now trapped between 3.26 or so. We have, managed to pierce above a few times, but in general, I mean, you could kind of see if I just make these lines a little bit thicker for you. Just go ahead and make these a little thicker so you can see the box that the trading is taking place within. So you can see that we've been fighting to maintain this box either way. We have, broken into it and then broken out of it, maintained the 200 here, popped back above, and now we're again fighting to get back into this uptrend line on the weekly time frame that we broke below a couple weeks back. So we do have some bullish things happening. Let me just get that out of the way. So we have the 50 crossing the 200 period simple moving average here. We have managed to hold this 3.15 level, which is good, and we've also put in like a little bit of a trend line here that we seem to be following. So I do see prices wanting to go higher. I do think that if I drop down in a 4-hour time frame, it will give you a better view of what I'm expecting. Is a little bit of chop. So the reason is that we're kind of between a lot of different things, different moving averages, different supply zones and demand zones. So let me just go ahead and drop down for you 1 second. And you can see on the 4-hour time frame here that we have managed to get kind of outside of this box here that I was referring to, and right down here at around 3.15. We based a little bit higher on this last move, and we tried again for this trend line that I was talking about. So again, we're just kind of between a lot of different things. We have the 200 period simple moving average here. We've been fighting to maintain and get back above this 50 period simple moving average. The good news is the 50 is above the 200 on the 4-hour time frame, so that's another bullish case. Another bullish case is my moving averages here want to start turning over. So I think that it is possible for a small retrace for natural gas and then a push back above 3.3 heading into the latter part of this upcoming week. So the bulls definitely seem to be coming out when it's needed, and we are definitely maintaining a little bit of an uptrend here, even though we've had some gaps and some bouncing here. But overall, this is looking pretty good on the longer term. You can see here that we've been kind of just trading in this range here again, as I've mentioned repeatedly now, and this is the uptrend line that we have to get back above in order to test even higher highs. So again, we need to maintain this low here near 3.15, and then I do believe that after a little bit of a dip, since we'll be between the 50 and my moving averages here, then we maintain this area and then probably pop back up around Tuesday, or not Tuesday. Tuesday's the opening day, so maybe a little bit Tuesday on Wednesday. We'll definitely be seeing natural gas prices moving up higher, closer to 3.3 or so towards the latter part of this upcoming week. So this has been a presentation of natural gas. I'm on Wall Street. Thank you so much for watching.